Yo, what's up guys? Today I am going to show you how you can recreate anything using AI. So today we are going to recreate this Neal.fun's game called as Can You Draw a Perfect Circle? So here you can draw a circle and then you can find the accuracy of the circle and find the best score, and you can even copy the score and share it. So if you copy the score, it is stored in the clipboard as the score. Can you beat it like that? So this is what we are going to replicate. So the first thing what we are going to do is the prompt. So I have already written the prompt in here. So let's have a look at it. So the first thing in you have to include in the prompt is the role of the AI. So today I am saying it to be a HTML, CSS, and JavaScript game developer. And I'm going to praise the AI by saying that it has won many awards recreating simple games with text given. And I'm going to give it a task of making a game called as Draw Perfect Circle, which we need. And then I'm going to just put some futures in there. So I'm saying it to follow the mouse and then draw a circle and show how perfect is the circle is using some kind of algorithm. And then I'm going to also implement the copy feature in the game by this thing. And finally, I'm going to say this is a hackathon or competition like thing where the prize pool is dollars right here. So to make the AI more, what to say, like excited and get better result. So that is nice. So first thing what I did is I just copied the prompt and pasted in ChatGPT, and it gave the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file. So let's look at this. So if I just copy the HTML file and then paste it in the online IDE called as codeman.io. You can also use VS Code or any other IDE right there. And then let's copy the CSS file, paste it there, and the JavaScript file, paste it there. And just like that, everything is completed. And we get an amazing UI like thing. So let's just click on go and test our project. So as you can see, it is not at all working. It's drawing lines instead of freehand stuff. So let's debug the code together. So what we are going to ask the AI is I can't draw a circle. I can only draw a line. And it is going to fix that error and give you an updated script which works. So just like that, we have pasted the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript file, and let's look at the updated version. And here we can finally draw perfect circles, and the score is also working. So the next problem I encountered is that we can draw anywhere the circle and get the score, but I want only the circle to be drawn around this dot. So I asked ChatGPT to solve that issue, and it gave me another updated implementation. So let's copy and paste the code real quick. And that's done. Let's see if this works. And yeah, I think it kind of works. See, I cannot go and draw anywhere here. As you can see, I'm trying to draw right here, but it does not allow me to do. Only here around this circle, I can draw another circle, which is just amazing. So the next problem that I encountered is the copying feature doesn't really work. So if I click on the copy button right here, and if I see the pasted text, it does not really copy. So I just went to ChatGPT and said that the copying feature doesn't work. And it gave me another updated version of the game, which I just copied and pasted real quick. Just like that, we have copied another code and another implementation. Let's see if this works. So if I just click on go, and I'm just I think it's trying to debug and fail to copy score. So again, we are going to say the message that it has failed to copy the score. Now it's gonna again implement the copy text. Now I'm going to just change the JavaScript, because the JavaScript changes so that yeah. So now the game is done. So let's draw a circle, 42% score, nice. Let's copy it, and the score is copied to pin. Now let's test it by pasting in here, and that's working. As you can see, 42%, can you beat that, is copied into the clipboard. That is amazing, right? So that is the project. This is not to say that AI can do every work. I'm just saying that AI can help you build things, and it can help you learn things. Like the simple project like this, you can see how the algorithm works, how it calculates the score. Probably this score is not that perfect, but yeah, you can just use this as a reference for your further project. Like I can't say this is the end for Neal.fun, because you can see there is me. If I go the wrong way, it's gonna just say it's the wrong way. And there are many other features that he implemented, like see this gradient like line going in here, which is just crazy. I think this process of making an app or website or any tool is to just learn stuffs. So you can ask ChatGPT, what is a variable, what is this doing, what is this part of code doing, and stuff. And you can improve your coding skills, programming skills. You can learn a new language and stuff. So that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.